OPPO is going through a resurgence right now with the brand new logo and the colorful identity that they're trying to build around the Reno 10X Zoom, which is why when the company announced that they were going to launch this one in India, I was extremely excited to test this one out and was stoked to look at all the cool features that it has. Hi, this is Sreehari from Mr. Phone, and OPPO has finally convinced me to switch to the Reno 10X Zoom, and in this video I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. So editor, let's hit flashback. My mornings begin with the alarm waking me up, and generally it takes me about 5 to 6 alarms for even my eyelids to start waking up. Everyone in my family, all my friends are fed up by this, but you know, it is what it is. With the OPPO Reno 10X Zoom, I expected pretty much the same, but guess what? It's super loud. I mean, extremely loud. It has Dolby Atmos on a stereo speaker setup, and guess what? All it took was one alarm to wake me up. Now the first thing I do in the morning is get my cup of tea, and obviously I open up my news feed for tech updates of the day. I cannot even begin to explain how much I love the fully bezel-less AMOLED display. The feeling that it gives when the text goes right to the edges is fantastic. It almost looks futuristic in your hand. The 6.6-inch AMOLED panel with the DCI-P3 color gamut offers more colors as well. Text and images look crisp and the colors pop right at you. Pro tip, let the night mode be on during the day as well to make sure you don't hurt your eyes during that morning routine. PS, just look how gorgeous that ocean green color of the phone looks. I mean, every time I had it in my hand, someone would ask me what phone that is. And there is no camera bump either. It's so damn good. I can actually keep looking at it all day. On my way to work is when I consume most of my content, which means that this is the time when I turn on my Netflix and binge on Brooklyn Nine-Nine and Stranger Things. And at this time, the AMOLED display on the OPPO Reno completely reels me in. Honestly, when watching content, I would any day take an AMOLED display over an LCD display no matter how good it is. Also, the fact that it comes with Gorilla Glass 6 protection means that I don't have to worry about putting on a screen protector in case it falls out of my hand. But honestly, I wasn't worried about that because of this gorgeous case that you get inside the box of the OPPO Reno that could easily save your phone in case of a fall. Once I get into work, I'm generally hustling through the day with editorial huddles and shoots. Now in between those work hours, it would be a sin really to not sneak out and play. Our PUBG sessions are now slowly converting to COD sessions, and the Reno 10X Zoom is tailor-made for gaming really. The Snapdragon 855 SoC inside the phone coupled with that game boost feature ensures that even a noob like me could land these headshots with consummate ease. My colleagues are genuinely surprised at how I was firing at a faster rate. Shh! Don't tell anyone. It's because the OPPO Reno 10X Zoom has a new feature called Touch Boost that improves the touch latency. Moreover, I did not experience any compromises happening on the performance front, and my everyday usage was as smooth as I'd expected it to be. Talking about my favorite part of the OPPO Reno 10X Zoom is, well, the 10X zoom capability of the phone. The telephoto camera opens up a ton of possibilities. The 10X hybrid zoom gives me a lot of versatility and it helps me crop into faraway subjects without any loss of details. And the best part is that it's optically stabilized, so there is OIS on that lens, and that means I don't have to worry about soft shots either. Here are some of our favorite pictures captured using the OPPO Reno 10X zoom. Now there are times when I've downloaded a few episodes of a show and I'm all ready to leave, when I realized that my phone has barely any charge left. Well, with the Reno, I have VOOC 3.0, which helps me get juiced up in no time. It's a big break, sure, but it also makes sure that my phone doesn't heat up, so I can live with that. The best part is that OPPO has added this new tech in the circuitry that can also speed up the trickle charging speed in the end to reach 100% faster. Honestly, OPPO is leading the race when it comes to smartphone charging technology. Now, for most people who don't know this out there, I am a trained Carnatic vocalist. And what that means is that I love to attend many concerts and capture them on my phone. The Reno's video recording chops are pretty formidable too. I could record crisp footage at 1080p with the optical image stabilization doing a great job. And you know that feeling when you're at a concert, you want to record something and there are people around you constantly talking. OPPO has this new feature called Focus Sound that can individually capture the sound of the action in focus, here probably the musician. And as you can see, it works really well. Obviously, no concert is complete without a selfie, and every time I pop open that shark fin selfie camera, people are in awe of the whole mechanism. They've never seen things come out of a phone. It works pretty fast as well to be used as face unlock. This is by far the coolest thing about the OPPO Reno 10X Zoom. The OPPO Reno 10X Zoom is a solid flagship, and I think this one can easily replace all those flagships that you fancy so much. With that shark fin selfie camera, the bezel-less display up front, and that 10X Zoom at the back, this one packs in a lot more futuristic tech than you'd expect. Having said that, all that futuristic tech has been packed inside with polish, and this one feels much more mature today. And honestly, I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on this. With that, I leave you to it. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Sreehari with the gorgeous OPPO Reno 10X Zoom from Mr. Phone, and I'll catch you in the next one.